This is a good poem, Stir Fine Shit. Are you sure it's your first time?
Of course.
Because everyone in high school thinks that writing has to be all sophisticated and stuff. So people don't even take my writing seriously. Because eagles can fly. Shouldn't you get the tower in frame? This is not fine shit activities.
Bro, I next to what are fat?
Oh my god, why'd you make it look fat?
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. She'll have to go. I didn't realize you were recording. Yeah, this is tough. I'm doing that to myself, bro.
Oh yeah.
Not the oh yeah. I don't really care.
Ah, you got him out!
Don't slip before you come on me. What was that try?
Bro, hit the Jackson 5 drum major pose, bro.
Oh yeah, hit that right in the middle. Okay, let's go inside now, guys. Come on.
Do it again, bro. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Sing in the ring.
You want me to hit the nasty too? I'll do it.
Hit the greedy.
Hit the gritty. Come on. Teach me your dance. Oh yeah. Oh no. What is Emma doing?
I'm not doing nothing. I'm nonchalant. People don't see this side of me.
I look behind rocks and she's No, you're making me crazy now. Oh my god. You look like what are those things called? Miraculous Ladybug where they change. Here, bro.
Like, say an hour chest for me.
I said grab your camera! That looks like a trenza, bro. Part of the trenza. Don't pick it up.
I ain't gonna pick that up. But I got pee. I would throw it at you.
Who you want me?
Huh?
Oh shit.
Hey, no violence, guys. Oh, what the? Yeah, vámonos. Before you see what we need. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside, people. Come on. Sure? Come on, let's go inside.
Oh, I think that's just a wood chip.
You two inside. What is that?
It's a wood chip.
Oh.
Just say What you say about her, mama?
Do you want to see my pants?
I already recorded them. Oh.
Bro, they make this squishy sound. Hold on. No, you can't even hear it.
Re-emerging. She left 1 month ago and she returned. Look at her. Look at that person over there.
Exactly. We haven't seen it for years, bro.
Bro, we've been looking for you.
I found wild raspberry.
Hey, let me eat it. Trust, I'm gonna eat it.
Oh my god.
Let's go wash it first, at least. You can
should
wash
have
it
washed it
in
in the
water. Huh?
She finna die with parasites.
Let me eat it, trust. Ew.
Bro, if I die.
My fat ass will not die. Trust. This will be the last ever recorded video of
Goodbye,
you.
guys. Goodbye. Okay, it's not bad. Bro, imagine I get like stuff like this now. I would have been cooked. Twin. She got 2 days to live. Scott, if you're seeing this, my fat ass, my big back decided to eat this. I don't know if I will survive. I would say probably not because it's a wild raspberry. Mr. Cruz, I'm sorry. Miss God, I'm also sorry. But I have to
Coloring
eat
my
this
hair.
for the experience, you know.
Are you
so
gonna
sorry.
eat the whole thing?
I want to. Like, I really do want to.
Do it, no balls.
Oh!
If she dies, I had nothing to do with it.
She forced me. She told me no balls. That's force of coercion. I don't know. I'm not good at it.
talk.
She can't even talk. That's peer pressure.
No, in other words.
Can I hit the Drewski dance, guys?
Hit the Drewski team.
This is a Benjamin dance. This is a Benjamin dance. That's a good one.
The dance he did yesterday.
Come on,
The
guys.
dance he
That's
did
actually pretty acidic. What?
Oh.
He's like. What is he doing? It's like. Is he like?
I have it
like
recorded.
this? First, he has to go like that, like putting some hip thrust into it. Like, boom, 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 boom. Like that in the dance. The Drewski dance.
Oh!
My life is complete, guys.
Destiny, don't go any farther, bro. You're not a white girl. You are. We're not white guys.
Aesthetic video, let's go. Aesthetic.
I almost slipped right there. See, even the crow wants you to dance.
Oh my god.
Bro, it better come out too. I look silly doing this. It works.
Oh, it did.
I'm telling you.
We went on a side quest, guys, instead of going to class. I say it was a success.
It really was.
Well, class was cut short. Okay, why is it that when we're not there, class is cut short, but when we're there, it's 2 hours?
They don't like our aura. He's like, all right, get out.
We got that nerd aura. He missed it.
Exactly.
He was like, where's my favorite students?
Why do you want a stick? Why not? She want a souvenir.
She said, I gotta remember this tremendous day.
It's like, guys, I went on the trail and shows a freaking stick from the tree. You see it? Wait, the stranger disappeared. Everybody run for your lives.
Let's go. The guy behind us is gone.
Oh, no, get it. Why do you stop? Why he stop?
He was with us, so like, rushed up his stick.
Yeah, he just stayed there. Oh, no, you gotta go.
You gotta go.
Alright, and here. Better before the guy comes.
Your turn.
Come on. Come on, let's go, guys.
Let's go, let's go.
Let me throw my shit real quick.
He's like right around the corner. That was some horror movie type shit. He was right around the corner.
I heard his feet like sliding and then it just stopped out of nowhere.
Yeah, it was
And then
like,
once we picked up, started walking again, he started walking again too.
no, it was like we were walking and we were talking. And we were talking about his stick.
Mm-hmm.
And I heard the footsteps stop. And that's why I stopped. And I turned around and I was like, what the hell?
Exactly. See, guys, this is why you start moving. I started moving faster than I thought.
It's a drone. They're about to capture our disappearances. Bro's probably like just a student.
We're probably just walking today. We're scared of them. We're not traumatized as men. I don't even the word man scares me.
Oh look, we're almost at the entrance.
I'm Dwayne the Rock helped us.
Dwayne, my man. That's my only man.
Oh, we actually passed Dwayne the Rock?
Yeah, he's right there.
Girl, you just realized? I'm paying attention.
Obviously not enough.
Oh.
I did my bad. I got scared.
Just say my bad, I got scared.
And then I said, LeBron's in here. He's in trouble, and they started coming. That's why it's called the running, what she said. You
Because,
gotta run
yeah.
for your life.
Yeah.
You won't live. So we're the first ones to live.
We're the first ones to make it out alive.
Okay.
How was our adventure, guys?
It's great. I'm sweaty.
I'm sweaty too. I feel like I stink.
Disgusting.
I feel like I stink.
Me too.
10 out of 10. Great experience. Will I do this again? No.
I got my socks wet.
We got our pants dirty.
Got my pants dirty. Got my shoes dirty. You know, I probably should have brought an extra pair of socks.
But she's walking around with...
Yeah, when I went down to the creek, when I went down to the creek, remember I stepped on some grass.
Hey, we made it. We're alive.
Where the fuck did he go?
We're alive.
Oh no, we were dead.
Where did he go?
Where did he go?
We saw the big flowers. No, that's not possible. We were walking the same.
He's not popping out, right?
Well, let's see what's the other way.
We would have still seen him. It's a straight path going that way.
Bro, that's freaky.
That's actually kind of freaky though.
Don't trust them lions.
Freaky ditty.
Hey guys.
Here's a petting zoo.
She's excited.
I'm excited. I'm gonna go pet some
I bet you
dogs and some donkeys. It probably is gonna stink.
It's gonna be stanky, bro.
Yeah.
Mixed with the trail and animals.
We're definitely gonna be smelling like outside. So we're meeting up with Rox because she already found it. We don't know where though. We're just kind of winging it. It's right there. Look at it, bro.
Just please don't pick up the animals. Please don't touch the food. And please don't chase them. Okay? You're welcome.
It's so soft. It's a cow. He has like a skull of a head.
Come here, buddy.
I'm gonna put them.
He gonna bite you?
Bro, I don't have beef with you.
Oh, you're so soft. Oh my god, you're so soft. Oh my god, why are you so soft?
He's so smooth.
Don't do anything. Sorry, I won't do it. Just one thing. One thing.
She won't get bit.
They don't want to be touched. Look at them running off.
I'm not gonna do anything. That's it. I'm done.
I know. I like this cow. I was gonna put.
I mean, this cow vines.
I was gonna put the baby, but he pooped.
Oh. He did not want you.
It's behind you.
Hi.
It's just chilling, bro.
Please don't bump into me. Oh.
Oh. Oh, now that you. Look, you're getting ganged up, bro.
Oh God. They're trying to take my lanyard.
Am I one with nature?
And you Snow White having ass.
I put a cow, a donkey, a chicken. 3 of them were soft, gang.
They were so soft.
Yeah,
How would we rate our experience, girl?
I rated it a 9 out of 10. The cow was so nonchalant.
I rated a 10 out of 10. What about you?
7 out of 10.
Yeah. There's something else to do. We're gonna go see what it is.
Like metal, I don't know.
Jim Skip.
Oh my god, there's Street Shark.
Are you the
Man, give her that Pichu.
I'm the orange one. Oh, you're getting
I would be able to step off being character in a minute.
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh my god, it got you.
Invested, but try not to fall asleep at the same time.
Oh my god.
What game is that? Is that Minecraft?
No! Fucking die already. I know. Taking you over here.
That's also awesome. I turned around now. I need a new control. Yeah. I've never really worked on my dad. I was standing there.